Hey there, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a do-it-yourself finger loop for a flashlight. So I got a Surefire G2, a 6P, and a dual fuel tactical. These are all different diameters. This is about a 1-inch light, this is about a 1.030, and this is even a little bit bigger than that, especially the bezel. So Surefire will sell you a 3-pack of these rings, which are excellent. They go on the tail cap end and they allow you to free up your fingers to do things like hold a gun or grab a doorknob or that type of deal. And then when you want to recover the light back to your hand, then you flip it around. What this doesn't do is you won't go bezel up in a pouch, which that's an S-Tac Kiwi. Here's a Surefire V70, and here's a HSGI Taco. This is an Eagle FB style. So I like running bezel up. May or may not work for you, but it works for me with a variety of lights. And been doing this about, I don't know, at least a dozen years with these loops. So take a zip tie, put it on the bezel end, and then I can put this into any of these pouches with my bezel up, because this isn't blocking anything. A couple things you need to know. One is, from time to time, you're going to have to redo your tape. Whether this gets twisted or whatever, or maybe you have an e-series light, you got to take the tape off to take off the bezel to replace your battery, or maybe the bezel of your light gets really warm and the tape loosens up, and then you have to reapply your tape. All possibilities. This is really cheap, really easy to do. You can reuse the tape, usually not a big deal. Okay, so you take your zip tie, make a loop on the end here, and then cut off the excess. I've used this loop before, as you can see from the dried up glue here. I use this 1-inch tape you buy from Brownells. I think they call it tactical tape, but Berry Plastics makes this. Been using this for a long time. Good stuff. Much better than electrical tape. So what you do is you're going to run a piece of tape through your loop, and you're going to put that about maybe here or so on your bezel, and you're going to apply that, and you're going to wrap it around, put back through itself. Obviously I'm doing this with one hand, so it would be much more secure with two hands. You'll get the idea. Second piece of tape, and these are about 8, 9, 10 inches long, each of them. You're going to want to tie down the tail here first, and then you're going to roll your tape around several times as you go progressively up to here. I'm going to finish this off camera, but you'll get the idea. This dual fuel tactical I've been running for a couple months now in S-Tac Kiwi pouches and also HSGI Taco pouches, and it is a little bit harder of a fit initially, but once you use the same pouch over and over, it adjusts and wears in pretty good. If you ever wear out like a Kiwi, you can get a replacement Kydex insert from Stu and John there at S-Tac. No worries. I don't know if they give them to you for free, but if they charge you, it's not going to be hardly anything. So good stuff, good product. About this target, this is Dave Spalding's company, Hanging Combatives, and this is an overlay you can put on a USPSA target. Line the top up with the division here between the neck and the chest, and sides here with the A-zone, and it gives you a nice 3x5 card area for your heart. Shows your arteries and stuff. So pretty good target. Thought I'd feature that in this video. Alright, give us a try. I think you'll like it. Like I said, I've been using this for a lot of years. Works good for me, and I like it a lot. Alright, take care.